Ciao from Acireale and Carnivale. I'm here with a group of students from John Cabot University, and this is thanks to Mario Marano. He is one of Acireale's native sons, and he wrote in his will that he wanted a group of students to come and study here in Acireale, and guess what? With collaboration with the New Jersey Italian Heritage Commission, we made it happen, and also have an entire tour ready for them. Today, we met with the Bishop of Acireale and the Mayor. Enjoy also highlights from this amazing event. There you go, some Sicilian kids here in Carnivale. Beautiful uniforms. Oh, look at the caretti. Oh, this is so beautiful. On top of the cathedral in Acireale. That was fun walking up here, huh?
Oh yeah, there were like multiples. I was hoping we could do a good climb today.
Look at these beautiful bells. Oh, there we go. What time? We didn't do it. Not us.
That's surprise for you.
Look at what they did.
Ready? There we go. Ready?
Oh, we're having way too much fun here. What does it mean to be here in the name of Mario and this project?
It has been a journey to make this happen, and I am just overwhelmed with joy. I really am, to meet the dignitaries in Mario's name and make this happen with the students. And as you can see, it's at a celebratory time in Acireale. Couldn't have planned this better than it actually is. I think Mario is really smiling at us to make this happen. This is great.
For those who don't know, who is Mario?
Mario Marano, a lifelong partisan of Italy, who migrated to the United States when he was 23 from the town of Acireale. And he spent his entire life pursuing and helping other immigrants. And his wishes were to have students study in Acireale. And this is what we're making happen. And I say we're, I mean you, me, and Sicily was just a vital part of this to make this happen. And here we are. We're meeting with the dignitaries, the council president, the mayor. We just came from the bishop's office, and His Excellency welcomed us with open arms. It was really a fantastic event to be part of.
We're getting ready to meet the bishop.
Morano's family from Acireale that planted the seed to make this happen in Acireale. And that's one of the reasons we wanted to continue in his name, to thank the family and also, pray for Mario. He's looking down, smiling at us today.
We did it already, of course. We prayed. We offered a holy mass for him, of course. Yes, and we are very happy to continue to keep this relationship. So, if in the future maybe start.
I believe in conjunction with the Bellini Foundation and also other things going on in Acireale, we would love to partner and do things in the future. Yes.
Yeah, we certainly are. We're working on different projects to that will honor the name of Mr. Marano. Yes.
What a great pleasure to have this happening today in Acireale. Bob from the United States, and the bishop has opened up his home, and what a pleasure it is. And let's hope this can be repeated many times.
We hope so. Santa Venera, who's the patron of Acireale, Saint Venera. And this is another small.
What a beautiful gift from the bishop.
Thank you.
Picture.
Let's see the first one.
Yes.
The first one.
Santa Agata.
Our beloved San Agata.
I'm going to be passing these along to Mario Marano's wife, Mary, and I'm sure the family will love them.
I think they will love it.
Italian heritage and culture. And when we get an opportunity to broaden that with visits to Italy, we take this opportunity. And we appreciate and thank you for the welcoming in Acireale, and hopefully maybe this will be the start of perpetually doing this. So
Why not? Yes. Do you have some Italian roots? Italian roots. Because usually Italian American, they like second or maybe third generation. They want to come back and visit us.
they
That's why.
want the purple stripe. They want the citizenship to belong for their heritage.
Exactly.
So we all pursue that.
I thank you for this wonderful visit, and especially for these young people. They are the future, our future.
Yes, yes.
Now we're in the town hall, getting ready to meet the mayor, Sindaco Ali. And look at this view. It's raining a little bit, too bad, but hopefully it'll clear out.
Video facciamo il movimento. It's a video? Wait, aspetta. No.
Oh, he was going to make a speech. Funny. So this is a gift from the mayor, the Sindaco of Acireale, to Bob and the New Jersey Commission. And what do you want to say, Bob?
I just want to say I thank the mayor for welcoming us, and in memory of Mario Marano, making this all happen, and a tribute to Mario's memory and his family. And I accept this in honor of Mario, and I'm going to present it to Mary, his wife.
Giovanni and Tanya,
The niece of
the niece of Mario Marano, speak for the statue of Mario Marano and for remember the emigrants of Italy, of Sicily in the world. And we speak for to put the statue in Santa Maria la Scala for remember emigrants of Sicily, and in the same with the statue we is intention of us to remember Mario Marano with one place with the name the place of emigrants of Sicily in Santa Maria la Scala.
Noi qua ci riuniamo.
They gather together, the meetings.
Meeting. E questo lo spieghi tu perché è complicato. In Italy we have the election of the mayor and the election of councillor that are different. And so here is represented all the city. I was elected by a part of the city. Here instead there is all represented all the community, and here sits the council. There in the big chair sits the president that is voted from the councillor, and in
italo-americani, perché trasferirsi in Acireale anche quest'oggi sono questo tour
Per venire a vedere questa bella città e tutto il tesoro che c'è in Sicilia. Io amo Sicilia, è un piacere mio per far vedere tutti i ospiti, è un piacere fare questa organizzazione.
Bene. Grazie, allora buona permanenza in questi giorni qui, nella speranza che possiamo vescovili di Agrigento VII, la cui esposizione.
A little bit of rain, but we'll keep going. Poor Breezy. Everyone got hit. Oh, here we go. We've been waiting a little bit because it's been windy. This is one of the public libraries here in Acireale. We're getting a tour. A lot of these books were donated. And then over here, we just came from a beautiful museum. Here's a Sicilian cart. Carried all the noblemen around. These paintings are just unbelievable. Most of them done locally. This is Giuseppe, whose family was friends with Mario, and you received something from Mario.
Yes, this is one medal of Mario that given me before go out.
Before he passed away.
Okay.
Passed away.
Okay. Because Mario for Acireale is very
important.
Very important. This is origin of Mario, born in Sicily, born in Acireale, and when he come back here, remember your young, because it's very, very important.
Piazza Garibaldi, in esposizione trovate le maschere isolate, 4 maschere isolate, Draghi Green Pass di Cataldo Sardo, Un mare da mare di Christian Basta e Vera d'Agata, ancora l'opera La bugia di Pulcinella.
We thank Mario Marano for this extraordinary gift back. And Mario Marano was very generous for Acireale because he loved Acireale so much. So the community of Acireale is very grateful to Mario Marano and his family to be in touch with this beautiful city, and also for the donation to the Church of Acireale, to the municipality of Acireale, and also the foundation for the theater. And we hope, as a community of people working in Acireale, to I can say to do more for Mario Marano and his family, because a give back act must be compare with something the community is able to do. So we hope to have as soon as possible the monument for immigrants, as was a big desire of Mario Marano, and having also some initiatives for the theater, as Mr. Marano was thinking before he died.
The importance of collaborating between Americans and Sicilians. Why is it so important? What are the benefits? And how do we go about it? In every aspect. Bob, want to go first?
Well, I could say this. The importance of it is to maintain the bridge between the two continents. And it's important that we start at the governmental level and work down to the business level to remove the roadblocks. And you can increase the amount of participation in business between the two if you accomplish that. And you start with the ambassadors.
Okay, I think that Italy and the United States are good friends from a long time, and now it's the best season to start a 2.0 cooperation, especially with young people. We need to remove some stereotypes about Americans sending money, donation, endowments. We need having the help of American people in terms of thinking together to projects, business projects, cultural projects, where everybody can bring capabilities, resources, and specific skills. I think that that's the best moment to boost this cooperation between the United States and Italy.
Talk about the importance about collaborating across the ocean for, just as Americans, we got it all figured out. But the importance,
I wish we did.
But the importance of this cross-cultural collaboration.
The cross-cultural collaboration starts with education, of course, and at the university level, all the way on down to the trade level. Education is the key, and once we collaborate on that level and share ideas, we can break these stereotypical roadblocks that we run into. And as Professor Rosario stated, that the educational aspect is the key.
Okay, what future projects do we have brewing?
Lots of projects. I think that all the projects about education are really important, not only at the university level. I agree that university is the most important level for boosting this cooperation between Italy and the US, but also secondary school, even primary school. There is a phenomenon in Sicily that's called the NEET. NEET means people not in employment, training, and education. And there's a portion of the young population that's a social problem. Because people, they are young but not educated, they don't look for any job. If we think about the projects, education and job together, and creating opportunities for these young people, I think that is a good social project that Italy and the US can develop together.
Yes, of course.
Something to Professor Rosario. I touch on something now. I want to elaborate on as far as the trade and education. Yes, but it's going to start with. There's a uniqueness about Made in Italy. It's a quality service. It's a quality product, and everyone, when they see that label, they jump. Well, somebody has to maintain those corporations. Somebody has to work in those corporations. How does that start? That starts with the education on both sides of the ocean. Okay. And I can name corporations as well as anyone. The universities can help populate those corporations to increase the trade. Not only in the sense of just trade, but the cultural bridge between our countries and our families. I mean, right down to the family level. And that's what I really look forward to accomplishing.
Yeah. If I can add something to this point, that it's very interesting. Made in Italy is not about olive oil or pizza. No. Made in Italy is a concept, and since it's a concept, has many cultural and social implications. And I think that is the concept of Italy that can be shared with the US, because lots of business, social and cultural experiences and projects between Italy and the US were just based on the Made in Italy concept. So if there is another stereotype, okay, so Made in Italy is about luxury goods or olive oil or pizza, yes, but that also there is the Italian sounding around the world that cannot be stopped. So how can I compete with the Italian sounding if my Made in Italy is not understood clearly from all the Americans or other people? the specificity of Made in Italy is cultural. So if we work on this concept, we can enjoy great time of cooperation.
Awesome. Wow.
Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you've enjoyed it, consider hitting the like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you in another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao!